Hello and welcome to another Site Supervisor briefing. Greg Evans here, and with me I have Janeth, one of our lead platform developers at Site Supervisor, and today he'll be showing us how to accept an invitation as a business. Janeth, if I get invited to Site Supervisor as a business, what does that mean?
So Greg, when you get an invitation from Site Supervisor to join a project, much like what you see on screen now, it means that someone has already got a project up and running and they've invited you to join the project. Now, if you already are on Site Supervisor, you'll just get that invitation. But in this case, we're talking about if you're not on Site Supervisor, you've never
So
heard of it.
this is like a first time. You've got
That's
this
right.
invitation and you want to get your business involved with Site Supervisor.
That's right, yeah.
Where do we start?
Yeah, so all you got to do is click on the View Invitation button on the email itself, and you'll get to see this screen. So in this demo that we've set up, I'm Richard Holding, and it says you've been invited to join Tower Park Hotel by Anthony Fitzpatrick. So
Okay.
it's
This is all made up, is it?
hey, it's all made up for now. Yeah, that's right. But let's go ahead. So it says create your business account. Now, in order for me to join the project, I got to join Site Supervisor first. So if I say, my first name's Richard Holding, it already has my email address from the invite. That just
Yes.
confirms that I'm joining the right thing. And then I give it a secure password that I can also remember. And I've just got to check this. I'm not a robot to make sure that I'm not, and make sure I pass all the validation. And then once I get the green tick there, I can sign up.
Lovely. Now, of course, this is for people who have never worked with Site Supervisor before. If you have, you would have just picked the login, wouldn't you?
That's right. Yeah, that's exactly right. So the next step in here is to confirm your email. So if I go back to my email client, you'd see that I've got a confirmation email just saying, hey, you've tried to join Site Supervisor. We just got to make sure that you're a real person. So all you have to do is either click on the confirm email button, or you can, if that doesn't work, because some browsers block it, you can just copy this code at the bottom of the email and paste it back into that screen that we were once on.
And Janeth, I shouldn't be worried about giving my company details, should I?
No, and actually, so this is the thing that we prompt you as when you log in, it'll ask for your business name and a few things about it. So the information here for any business is something that's already available publicly.
Yes.
Right. So for example, let's fill it out and see what it looks like. So we're Wizard Electricals in this demo, and what kind of business are you? A sole proprietor, partnership, or limited company, or whatever it may be, and the industry role that I have. So I could be a subcontractor, a property developer, or something like that. So if I say I'm a subcontractor, so the information here is, most of the time it's just public information, because end of the day you want people to know that your business exists,
Yes.
so they can work with you, right? So I just click next on this, and I get a screen to fill out my business address. So let's say I pick Australia in our example and give it my business address. And then I have to pick the business data storage section. Now, this is something that's...
What is that? Business data storage?
Yeah, that's a very important question as well, Greg. So this is where you have to make a decision on any documents that you upload to Site Supervisor for your business. Where do you want to store it? So, you'll see in like the later videos that, you can maintain your entire business on Site Supervisor when it comes to running projects or running your business. That includes uploading things like policy documents, compliance, insurance, and things like that. So you have to tell the system, where do you want to store that data? And it's by geographic location. So, we have 4 options currently, but you need to pick the location that best suits your business's needs and, requirements like data privacy and things like that.
Yes.
So let's pick Australia for the demo, and I'll go ahead and submit that. So once I submit, I see the Welcome to Site Supervisor.
That's a familiar screen? Yes.
It is, yeah. We saw that in the previous video. So you can go through and watch these videos if you like, or you can just go ahead and close that. And you are presented with the Site Supervisor dashboard. Now here, if you can recall from the email, we got an email to join a project. But before we could join a project, we had to join Site Supervisor.
Yes.
Now, we've done the first part. We've joined Site Supervisor. Now, on my dashboard, I see, okay, I've got a pending invite to Tower Park Hotel, and, we can go ahead and accept it, which, we'll cover that in the next video, but that's all you got to do.
And you're in.
That's it.
Absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much indeed, Janeth. That's how you accept an invitation as a business, and if you would like to learn more, check out some of our other briefings.